Hello. Now the topic is building your employee accounts for payroll. So that's what we're gonna do. The employee accounts and building your employee accounts for payroll is when you reach the main menu. It's on the top of the list. You just click it and you go to personal data, and it's all self-explanatory. Put your name. The name is separated by a comma, and you put your first name. So family name first, a comma, and first name, and if need be, you may put your middle name. Chances are you would be needing them because there are some government reports that need those middle names. The employee number is here, your contact, whatever information is needed like bank, SSS number, PhilHealth number, address, and area. Area, important. The others can wait. If you're in a rush and you don't need this data first, but the area is needed. Of course, the name. Now, what are these? This is a provision for your picture in case you would want to put in your photos, and this is a provision where you can arrive at government regulation where statistics are needed for, let's say, number of male or female in a certain establishment. The ages, of course, this is automatic as long as you put date of birth here. Default of the date, present date, will deduct it and will give you age. Now this is for purposes of personnel. This is to define if the requirements of the employees are submitted. So you just check it if it is. If it's not, leave it blank. And the basic training that has to be done on a certain establishment are also there. So your basic training, whatever requirements that has to be submitted, has to be required by the government to protect your company. Clearances, of course, is also to protect you and your client. And if there are so numerous of these employees, it would be very hard to keep track of these clearances. And provision for violations that are all user defined, and the point system. So this area here is basically for personnel. Now let's go and scan this here. So you move about by this menu here below. The search is here. The first name, first letter, what have you. Let's say B will give you a search engine. Okay, or maybe A, yeah, maybe X, H, that's it. So that's a search engine. So you exit that, whatever you build there all goes to this file, the most important file of the payroll system. It goes here. Okay, can you the question is, can you, like building your employees account, can you use this file to build it? Yes, of course, but this file is prone for you to skip one of the most important data, so it's preferred that you go through this file, the individual encoding. But you know, no one's stopping you for going through this file, for building your accounts for payroll, and so you can go there. You can go to this file. Again, it's called CurPay file. You open it and your data is there. Alright, this is the area that's referred to, employee, and so on and so forth. So thank you for watching Building Your Employee Accounts. It's part of Easy Payroll.